This 2024 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a Nomad interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front bath, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2024 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.